But yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video of me on my vacation and of the swimming hole right now. That's really the only video I'm gonna post. I don't really like doing the vlog type things, even though I know I did the Florida vlog, the other Florida vlog, and then some other vlog that I totally forgot. I forgot which one that was. But yeah, it's not my favorite. But I just want to do this cool video of us at the swimming hole. And I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe and like for more videos like this. But yeah, follow my Instagram, Angelo122, resale Instagram, Hyper Sessions, and my behind the scenes Instagram, officialangelobusiness. And last year when I made the video at the swimming hole, that video got like only 200 views, and now I'm averaging like 1,000 plus per video. But then also I think I had like 500 subscribers. Now I'm at 2.3k. That's crazy.